Kanina pa sana dapat ako.
And Creamline as Jing was sharing to us the champion pedigree of being champion and soon to be. Kasi nasa 5-0 daw sila ngayon eh. So, tama ako na.
Wala na akong balikan nito.
Again, wala na akong pumeso. Tapos na yung Pasko eh. But sweet is the Chinese New Year.
Nakatama Miss Jency.
Alam po kayo, mga taga-apply at nagkakabay kayo mga tikoy niyo. Meron din sila mamaya. Anyway, may hawak ako, no? Next week, I think wishing everybody in this room a happy Chinese New Year, wishing you all the best of good health and all the prosperity and all your wishes for the incoming year of the Buddha's Day. So, hindi kasi sa isang envelope, kaya
we will just take photo. Ebidensya, no? Ano
ebidensya pa baga?
Kailangan na mga ebidensya. Alright, once again, let's give a big round of applause. Thank you, Boss Jun. Ayan. Ayan, so anong sasabihin kay Boss Jun? Thank you, Boss Jun, for your welcome message to everyone here. And sa Maginaldo, para sa lahat. I'm seeing big smiles sa mga players, no? Ayan, very happy sila. And next game daw, mas tatambakan daw nila yung kalaban. Diba? Ayan, so without further ado, ayan, gusto ko sana ako yung mag-introduce sa kanila isa-isa. Pero sabi ko parang mas okay na ang mag-introduce sa kanila, of course, is this person who now considered by many as the face, one of the faces of Philippine volleyball. Hindi siya tinawag na Davino for nothing. And please all welcome once again here in front to introduce the Creamline players, Miss Eliza Valdez. Let's give it her a round of applause.
Napaka-gabot introduction. Wala po ako mabibigay sa mga flyers nito. Pasensya na. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone po. So, I'll introduce my teammates by position na lang. Para sa mga hindi po aware sa volleyball, so ito po ang mga positions in volleyball. I'll start with... Sa mga setters muna natin, we have Kylie Negrito, Bea Bonafe, and Mafe Galanza. So, Kylie... Ang ating mga... Hello? For our opposite spikers, we have Tots Carlos, Michelle Gumabao, Risa Mandapat, and Dish Rodriguez. Liberos. Our Liberos naman yung nasa likod to defend all the balls. Wow, defend all the balls. And defend all of us. Anyway, we have Denise Lazaro, Kyla Atienza, Aliyah Torres, and syempre ang nag-iisang Ella de Jesus. For middle blockers, taga-depensa din po sila. We have Pams Panaga, Lori Bernardo, and Bea De Leon. Bea De Leon. For our open spikers, we have Rosemary Vargas, Bernadette Pons, and Jama Galanza. And yours truly po sa open spikers. One more time, Eliza Walden. Ayan po ang voting. We have our coaching staff. Unfortunately po, wala po ang aming head coach. Nagkaroon po ng emergency. But we have our assistant coach, Coach Bok Morado. Si air conditioning coach, si Coach Mark.
Tumatawag, Coach LP.
Wow, Coach Mark. Si our staff, si Coach Tony. And then our momshi would be momshi Taj po. So sila po sa base. Maraming salamat po. So this is your Green Light Cool Smashers.
Ayan, thank you.
Yung mga bahay.
Pa siya.
Sabi ba daw? People talk lang daw.
Pag may mga idea.
Alright, compress na daw.
Ay, ready na daw tayo.
Ayan.
Tara na lang.
Kaya na ako.
Bigyan mo kay Miss.
Mas yun,